Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to build voicemail now. First, confirm your carrier supports visual voicemail and your plan is active. Otherwise, standard voicemail will behave differently. Once confirmed, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. Tap Setup Now when prompted. You'll choose a numeric password, pick something memorable yet secure, and then you'll record a greeting. These initial choices control access and the message callers hear, so take a moment to set them clearly. Now you'll record the greeting that callers hear. Select Record Custom to explain who you are and when you'll return calls. Speak slowly and stop background noise, then tap Stop and play to review. Once done, make sure to save the greeting and confirm your voicemail password works by leaving yourself a test message. Also check playback volume and whether transcripts are enabled. These settings affect retrieval and accessibility, so tweak them until messages are finished by saving everything and immediately testing. Call your number from another phone and leave a message to verify it records and appears in visual voicemail. If you don't see messages, restart your iPhone, toggle cellular on and off, and check carrier settings update. These steps often fix registration problems. If issues persist, contact your carrier. Have your account number and specific error behavior ready, because voicemail delivery is handled on their network and they can reset provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.